What's going on? So, last video should be fixing Haley's mini bike, and I got this. It was at Walmart, and it was running, wouldn't stop running. So I think the clutch is messed up. Took the cover off, took the chain off. Pulls pretty much freely. No, no resistance. But I think the clutch got some gunk in it or something. Because when you roll it, it like locks up. So check the oil, check the clutch, and we should have this thing working and rolling today. At least that's the goal. Oh, and that. So there's the next project. Drift truck frame. 1-inch bearings. The front end is kind of messed up, so I pulled it off. Haley doing her hammy duties. So yeah, that's the next project. But today we've got to work on getting this this Realtree 100 Motobox Coleman. What I don't even know what it is. We're gonna work on this. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and see if we can get this thing going. All right, later. All right, guys. So pulled the clutch off, pulled the snap ring off, and pretty rusty. Look, it's definitely caked on in there. You can see it on the clutches too. So I'm gonna sand that off. Shaft was a little grimy too. So I'm gonna clean that out, sand the rust down, lube up right here, lube that shaft up. That's what you gotta lube up when you guys wanna oil these clutches, not the pads. Alright, back on time lapse. That's it, she runs. That's it, guys, she runs. I think it was just the clutch. Seems to work. Starts up, drives around. Definitely tell it's a 79cc motor, but she's running. Picked up a mini bike for cheap, fixed it. Obviously, next thing would be a Predator 212 and hydraulic brakes. But we really gotta finish this thing. It's the bane of my existence. I'm gonna get it done eventually. Alright guys, later. Say bye.
Bye.